catch more bass. All-terrain bass jigs are the go-to jigs for tournament bass champions and weekend anglers alike. Keep trailers in place. To reduce trailer slide, all-terrain jigs utilize the patented Trail-R-Loc system. Simply thread the trailer and pull the Trail-R-Loc over the point to keep your trailer in place. Cast after cast and fish after fish. Quality skirts separate the Ratlin AT and Grassmaster. Hand-tied with unbreakable Kevlar thread over a silicone core, these durable skirts won't dry out, crack, or come apart, no matter how many fish you catch. Made in the USA, all-terrain jigs are powder-coated. Simply the toughest coating to put on tackle. No chipping, ever. A unique head shape and bumpy underbelly of the jig are signatures of all-terrain jigs, enabling the angler to feel the structure. Quality assortment. And a wide assortment of premium colors and weights gives bass anglers plenty of options to stock their arsenal for any conditions. There's a reason so many pro anglers use these jigs. All-terrain pros have banked over $3 million in tournament winnings using all-terrain tackle. All-terrain tackle. Catch more bass. Learn more at allterraintackle.com.